Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. Today I will tell you why your website is not ranking in search engine. Let's quickly talk about few SEO mistakes that could be holding you back and how to fix them. First is page load speed. If your website take more time to load, and people will definitely skip your page before seeing your content. So, what you need to do? Optimize your images, enable browser caching, then minimize JavaScript and use a content delivery network or CDN that speeds matter. And next one is broken links. Broken links hurt the user experience and SEO. You need to run regular audits with tools like Google Search Console. You can find the broken links and fix them and redirect to another page. And next is duplicate content. Duplicate content confuse Google. Use canonical tags to tell the search engine which version of a page is the original and make sure every piece of content you create is unique and valuable. And next is poor mobile optimization. If your website is not mobile friendly, then you are missing your golden time. Ensure your site is responsive, easy to navigate on a phone, and load fast on all devices. And next is missing HTTPS. Still running on HTTP. That's a red flag for Google. Get an SSL certificate to secure your site and switch everything to HTTPS, including all internal links. Next is inefficient URL structure. Long, messy URL with random numbers or codes. It doesn't look cool. Use short, clean, descriptive URLs with keywords. Keep it simple and readable. And next is lack of structured data. Use structured data or schema markup. It helps search engine to understand your content better. It also increase your chance of getting those fancy snippets in search results. Missing or incomplete sitemap. Finally, you don't forget your sitemap. Create a complete XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console so your site get indexed properly. Thank you friend. These are simple SEO mistakes. If you will want to go ahead of your competition, then you need to solve these first. If you found this content helpful, please like and share the video and also subscribe the channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.